It is looking to be an awesome weekend at gay campgrounds.
Here's what's going on this weekend, July 28th through 31st, 2022.
Hey, I'm Benji.
I'm Brendan, and we are the
Forrester Boys.
We are from New York City, and we've been traveling around North America in our Forrester RV.
Hitting up all the best gay and LGBT campgrounds. Right now, we are on our Summer 22 tour in Canada.
Join us this weekend at Shadow Falls, where we will be celebrating BC Day with a Chili Cookoff.
Yes, the biblical British Columbian tradition of cooking a hot stew in the middle of the heat wave to honor the Queen.
I don't think that's how it works, but the Queen would not be able to eat it because the royals are not allowed to eat spices.
Ooh, fun royal fact. Thank you. That doesn't sound right. Didn't a whole bunch of stuff in world history happen because the royals wanted spices? Anyway, the prize for the Chili Cook-Off is a coveted spot on the Plaque of Chili Champions. Don't miss out.
Next, head on down to Texas for Women's Splash 2022. Another fun royal fact is that Queen Elizabeth was the first sitting royal to ever visit Texas.
Oh, will she be at Rainbow Ranch for this weekend's Women's Pride Party?
You will find out Friday night at the meet and greet or at the pool on Saturday for a day full of Bloody Marys, mimosas, and shots.
I hear Barbie is spinning jams all night. I don't really know what that means. So anyway, while we're down south, let's head over to Florida to Camp Mars for the Camp Mars Gay Games. There is a rowdy game of torchlighting bingo happening on Friday. And then after the games on Saturday, wind down with a Key West sunset party and a potluck, followed by a victory disco.
You are a big fan of a potluck. I'm surprised you didn't suggest we drive down.
I love a good potluck, except I don't like eating at the potluck. I kind of like just
make a plate and go away.
Yeah, I make it. Yeah. And finally, it is Bears in the Woods weekend 2 at the Woods in Lehighton, Pennsylvania. Yes, 2 because there was already the first Bears in the Woods weekend, and there are so many bears in the woods in Pennsylvania near New York City that there's a weekend 3 and 4 coming up later this summer.
We love the woods. We used to go there all the time when we lived in New York. That was our first foray into gay camping. Do you think the bears at the woods will be the same bears that we were warned about at TRC in Washington?
Well, they will be bears we will be warned about, but not the same bears that we saw out in nature in the Pacific Northwest. We also love that the Woods offers almost every weekend free and confidential HIV and STI testing, and they have yoga classes, including my favorite, yin yoga, on Sunday.
What are you doing in gay camping this weekend? Let us know below in the comments.